Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by preparing the exact binary and metadata Play Console expects. Build a signed release APK or AAB with the correct key store and incremented version code. This ensures Play can accept the upload. Once done, run a quick local install to validate the package and basic flows. Also gather release notes, screenshots, and target API-level documentation so you can paste them into the console without pausing during the upload. Next, you go to the Google Play console and create a new release for the appropriate track. Choose internal for quick tests or production for broad rollout. Upload the built AAB/APK, then assign the rollout percentage if doing a staged release. Make sure you paste release notes, select country distribution, and set any device exclusions. These choices determine which users get the update. Once everything is configured, review warnings, play shows, and resolve. And finally, you review the release summary and hit rollout when ready. Choose staged or full depending on risk. After initiating, monitor crash reports, ANR, and user feedback through Play Console and your analytics. This lets you catch regressions quickly. If problems appear, pause the rollout immediately and either revert to the prior stable release or publish a hotfix with a corrected build. One troubleshooting tip. If Play rejects signing or key mismatches, recheck your key store and use Play app signing to recover or contact support.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.